Human reproduction. Reproduction can be defined as the production of one or more offsprings by an existing organism. This capacity has enabled the origin and propagation of various forms of life on Earth. Reproduction involves two distinct sexes. It is a characteristic feature of all living beings. Reproduction has played an important role in the origin of species and diversity of life by bringing together many characters that give rise to entirely new organisms. The primary function of sex is to contribute gametes, and the primary sex characters are the gonads, testes in male and ovaries in females. Sperm's formation continues even in old men, but formation of egg or ova ceases in volume around the age of 50 years. The male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. It consists of a pair of testes lodged in an integumentary pouch, the scrotum. Initially, they are abdominal. However, as the development proceeds, they descend down into the scrotum. In adults, each testis oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeter and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeters. The testis is covered by a dense covering. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly cored seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. A large convoluted duct called as epididymis in which sperms are stored. Epididymis continues into vas deferens which carries sperms away from the testes. A coil tube with circulated walls. This is the seminal vesicle. A short canal is formed. It is called as ejaculatory duct, which further unites with the ureter to form a common passage, the urethra, which opens to outside of the body through the penis. Seminiferous tubules. Inner lining consists of two types of cells called male germ cells. Undergoes meiotic divisions, which leads to sperm formation. Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. Outside of seminiferous tubules called interstitial spaces contain small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Other immunologically competent cells are also present. Prostate glands produce mucus that lubricates the urethra to facilitate the ejaculation of sperms during copulation. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is more complex, both structurally and functionally. It consists of a pair of ovaries attached with ligaments to the uterus. The ovary produces female gametes or ova. In close relation to the ovary, oviduct is present. It is a funnel-shaped structure usually with fimbricated margin. The end serves to pick up the ova liberated from the ovary. The proximal end of the oviduct enters into the uterus. The uterus is a muscular bag. The wall of the uterus has 3 layers of tissues. Uterus opens into a long tube called vagina. Vagina serves to receive sperms after copulation.